Hey folks, I decided it was time to maybe do a little switching around the Blue Heron Paper Company. So prior to doing that, had to do a bunch of cleanup. Don't run trains on these tracks very much. So they got cleaned up with some lens wipes. All the buildings and the structures and everything, I just move them around. They're not affixed. So I just move them to clean the tracks. And especially on front here on Main Street. So that's why the some of the tanks and stuff are moved. But we'll go ahead and just run this guy around a little bit and make sure everything works. They haven't had street running down here in a while, but it was really cool when they did. I just put a little cheap transformer on here right now, so... Later on, I'll go ahead and put this on the tripod. That way I can throw the switches. And it's just cheap. I think Atlas or Bachman tracked on here. But it's a pretty good representation of Main Street, Oregon City when it did work, because in the background there is the main line over Highway 99. And the paper mill. We'll put back some of the buildings, but let's see if I can run this without derailing it or anything. Oh, little fast. Just a cheap transformer on here, but everything should go okay. Of course, until now when I film. And that is a cheap transformer. And just like in real life, the trains will come up here and interchange with the UP. So later on we'll do some of that. And I probably made it move too far. Yep. Oh, there we go. Anyway, we'll do some switching down here later. I'll move some cars around, put the buildings back and all that. Yeah, it definitely needs a better transformer. Okay, we'll talk to you later on.